Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn about color enhancement and white balance. So, go to colors, and we have here auto white balance option here. If we click it, it will change colors automatically, but if we choose only the white color, it will change only that. Okay, now you have different types of color changing like temperature, tint, vibrance and so on. Now we go down. Here you have light colors, like shadows, brightness, contrast and so on. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.